Okay, this is the Oak Cliff volunteer screen help guide for setting up a volunteer event. What we're going to do as a sample one is this Brew Riot Oak Cliff 2014. Um, okay, here it goes. So basically, I'm going to assume you've already logged in and you have the login credentials. So if you have logged in, then basically just go to edit a page. You'll see on the left-hand side there's sign-up sheets. And in the case of having a new one, you just hit add new. But in this case, we already have the sheet, so we're going to just go straight to it. So there's our Brew Riot 2014. So pay attention here. You'll notice that the ID is 19. So that's your specific sign-up sheet number. That's the ID that's associated to it. So remember that. Okay, now what the idea is that if here we want to show that we have some different volunteers, and we have Brew Riot check-in, we have traffic patrol check-in, all that other stuff. It looks like what we want to do here is we want to show 5 volunteers from 3:30 to 5:30. So what we'll do is add another task, and we will have 3:30 to 5:30 volunteers. Okay, so, well, actually, I'm just going to copy this straight from the email. So here's our top one. This is our first one. So we're going to move that to the top. And we're going to get rid of, and we need 5 here, so we'll put that there. And then we're going to get rid of these guys. And then we're going to do the next set. So we'll just add another set on. 5. Oops. You do not need to go out of full screen. I accidentally did that. So there'll be 5 here, and then another 3, and that's for volunteers from 5:30 to 7:30, and then the final 2 volunteers from 6 to 8. So that said, put all those together, save it, and now we have Brew Riot sign up sheets. And then what we'll have here is, oh, whoops, since this is registration, sorry, the email is kind of jacked up. So what we'll want to do is put registration, 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 and registration. Save that. And then we'll have the 1.1 run. Sorry, I'm getting ridiculous amounts of messages. So now we have the run, and there's going to be 15 volunteers here from 2:30 to 4:30. So we'll put 15 like that. Pretty easy, not very hard to do. Okay, so if we go back to all sheets, we'll see our Brew Riot. We can look at the details on it. Hey, look, there we go. There's all of our registrations, the time periods that they want, and then basically people can sign up in here. Okay, so now that that's done, we need to make sure we can see it on the front page. So if you go to the actual Brew Riot, you'll see that it's empty, kind of not working. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to go in here, and you'll see, hey, look, there's the Brew Riot Oak Cliff May, blah, 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 blah. It probably would be good to put some sort of Brew Riot on, you know, like, this is a great event. Get beer. Drink it. It is fun. There we go. So remember that whole ID thing that I was showing you earlier? Well, that number 19, which is our Brew Riot number, is right here. So that sign-up sheet that I showed you earlier here is sign-up sheet 19. So let's take a look at, just so you know, so we look at all sheets again. Brew Riot 2014, 19 right there. Okay, so I'm going to step back. And now I'll see that, you know, sign up sheet 19, it's all good. Hit update and view post. And now you'll see that the sign up is right there. So pretty easy to do, really. And the other thing that I should point out is, like, you'll see, to get the logo for the front page, you have to put in the featured image. It's actually really easy to do, so I'll remove it, and then I'll show you how to. You can either upload one, or you can use an existing one. So in this case, it's Brew Riot, set featured image. Bada bing, bada boom, you are done. Okay, that about covers it for the heads up on how to do it. Let's go back to the main, and there's the thing. Okay. All right. Well, that's about it. Thanks.